assignments, doubts, exams. We have got you back. EduPlanner make every chapter easy to understand. Stay tuned, learn more, grow with us.
In this question, we have three identically charged particles arranged in an equilateral triangle. Okay, so I'm going to call the charges 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and the Q is given to be 0.12 coulomb, and then the uh, distance between the charges. Okay, I'm going to call it D. Okay, and D is given to be 1.7 meters. Okay, so this question we want to move one of the charges, so I'm going to move charge 2 to the midpoint of 1 and 3. Okay, so this is the initial point, this is the final point. Okay, we are given the power of energy transfer is um, 0.83 kilowatts. Okay, so we want to find how many days to move charge 2 to midpoint of 1 and 3. Okay, so to solve this problem, okay, we need to recognize a few relationship. Okay, we'll be using W equals to delta U, change in total energy, change in potential energy, okay, which is U final minus U initial. And then we are also going to use W equals to power times time. Okay, so first we calculate initial potential energy. Okay, so it will be 3 q square over 4 pi epsilon naught d. Okay, because so you can just calculate the uh, electric potential energy of each pair, and since the charges are equidistant initially, okay, so there are 3 pairs, and so you have q square over 4 pi epsilon d, and then you multiply by 3. Okay, and then u final will be okay, u12 plus u23 plus u13. Okay, u12 in the final position is u square over 4 pi epsilon naught d over 2. Okay, u23 is the same, so we can put a 2 here. u13 is q square over 4 pi epsilon naught d. Okay, and if you simplify this, you get 5 q square over 4 pi epsilon naught d. Okay, so delta u, okay, you can actually write w equals to delta u equals to u final minus u initial, and by just taking the difference, you get 2q square over 4 pi epsilon naught d. Okay, and then this is equal to and since w equals to power times time, okay, you can calculate time straight away. Okay, w over p. Okay, so 2q square over 4 pi epsilon naught d times 1 over p. Okay, so now you can substitute the numbers. Okay, so when you calculate the time, okay, in seconds, okay, it will be 1.8 times 10 to the 5 seconds, and if you convert into days, you get 2.1 days. Okay, so by just dividing 60 convert to minutes by dividing 60, convert to hours by dividing another 60 again, and you divide by 24. Okay, and then you convert to days. Okay, so the answer is 21 days, 2.1 days, and that's all for this question.